Alright guys, we got the ugly drum out. We got it set up for a grill. We got a grate here, high. Got a firebox sitting on top. We're gonna put a grate across top. Got a fire down here starting in the charcoal starter. Alright, get right back with you. Alright, you see we got the fire started. Got our firebox up there. Now we're gonna set the grate on top. Firebox. Alright, we got our hot dogs on. Gonna start cooking our big old jumbo hot dogs. Alright, there's our hot dogs. Big old jumbo hot dogs.